Welcome. If you want to make it easier for your LinkedIn connections to follow your updates, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to allow your connections on LinkedIn to follow you, using your PC and the newest update. Whether you're growing your professional brand or just want to share more with your network, these steps will help you get set up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture and the word Me. Click on the Me icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control everything from your personal information to how others interact with your profile. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Visibility. This section controls who can see your activity and how you appear across LinkedIn. Under Visibility, scroll down and find the option labeled Followers. Click on Followers to open your follower settings. Now, you'll see a few options about who can follow you and how. Look for the section that says Who can follow you. Here, you'll want to select your connections. By choosing this, you're allowing everyone you're connected with on LinkedIn to follow your posts and updates automatically. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved instantly. Your connections can now follow your activity, making it easier for them to stay updated with your latest content and professional achievements. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've updated your settings and opened up your LinkedIn presence to your connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might want to boost their LinkedIn visibility as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.